Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase. This is the Timex Ironman T200 watch. As with all my purchases, I buy everything with my own money. I like doing these videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality, packaging like, etc. So let me tell you where I got this from. I ordered it from JCPenney, but it shipped directly from Timex Group. So that was cool. This is the first watch I've ever ordered from JCPenney. It was $30 for Black Friday, which I thought was a great deal. It's packaged pretty nice, especially compared to most other Timex Ironman I've had before. They're usually just on a little stand. So why did I order this one? I thought the size of it was going to be ideal for my wrist. It is a 42 millimeter case. I have pretty small wrist. I have 6-inch circumference wrist. You know, it always cracks me up how these companies make it so hard to get the watches out. And there's a look at it. The other reason I like this model is because it's very easy to read. The older I get, the harder it is for me to see the values on these digital watches. Timex does a really good job of keeping large font and making it viewable on the watch. I wanted to show you the buckle because the picture on JCPenney's site showed this Ironman color different colors, and I was afraid I was not going to like that, so I'm pleasantly surprised to see that it came in all black. Not much to see on the case back. Hopefully you can see that okay with my lighting in here. Just pressing the mode button a couple times. Once I figure out how to operate the watch, maybe I'll attach some videos to show you some of the functions, settings of the watch. So I mentioned I have 6-inch circumference wrist. Let's see what it looks like. Nice and light, which is the case with most Timex watches. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. Let's take a look real quick. The only thing you do get is an instruction manual, nothing else with it. Hope the unboxing helped.